This is Ground Media Ykee. Godbess Entertainment.
Hello everyone. My name is Frank. I'm sure I don't need to introduce myself alone because most of the persons I'm saying here are not new. I'm sure that most of you attend most of our previous events, and thank you all for being here once again as we unveil our new brand ambassador who will be joining the 22 team in Uganda and Africa at large. Thank you.
I know you're holding phones and cameras. I don't know, can you snap, can you clap? And a round of applause for Frank. Thank you so much, Frank. So just also quickly, another introduction for Mr. Colin. Mr. Colin, thank you so much for having us here. A representative from 22Bet as well. Just a rundown of your portfolio and the reason as we're here.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for allowing me to be here, especially the press, and also thank you for accepting to join the family of 22Bet. My name is Colin Bamuwade, and I'm the head of marketing at 22Bet. So the main event here is unveiling to you our addition to the family, to the 22Bet family, and that's like the benda. This is our brand ambassador, and it's been a very
Thank you so much, Mr. Collins. He's the head of marketing, and right before him was Frank, who is the digital manager for 22Bet. And also right before you, straight at the high table, as the Ugandans famously call it, Ykee Benda himself. Of course, he has his manager right beside him, the young lady in the green. Very welcome. Let's just have a small brief introduction from you, manager. A little louder, please.
I'd like to thank 22Bet for choosing us to be in partnership with them, and we can't wait to help us with our happiness.
Thank you so much. I hope you are able to get some few words from the young lady. In case you didn't, you'll have a brief Q&A later on. But now, the man of the hour himself, Ykee Mr. May I call you that, for those who did not know that? Mr. Ykee, also known as, in capital letters, Ykee Benda. Very welcome this morning.
Hello. Let's introduce yourself again. Now the microphone is on.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Matatu. Thank you very much. I'm glad to be here with you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ykee, also known as Ykee Benda. The new and the precious ambassador of the amazing 22Bet. I have to see good day.
Thank you so much, Ykee Benda. Definitely this marks an exciting, very exciting chapter for 22Bet. I'm not very conversant with the Uganda part of it, but I'd like to throw in a few words in Uganda. Basewo ne banyabo. Njewale lero okuja ku mukolo guno ogwa 22Bet. Hope I'm doing well. Uganda speakers don't judge. Tusamusa okubalaba neraffe aba 22Bet. Of course, tulina omupya mu family yaffe mubadde mumanyi Spice Diana naye leero tulinayo omupya owakabi bamuyita kireka boy, bamuyita Ykee Benda. Leero tumwaniriza mu maaso gammwe era agenda kujja abawemu kwa kapeera. Ykee, we would like a few. Okitegeera before we can put pen to paper. Yeah?
So, now this is the 22Bet ambassador speaking. Ykee Benda will also take the first audio because I think the music is I'm very excited. So I don't know which song should I sing for my people.
Quick song, ladies and gentlemen.
Do you want me, oh no? Do you need me, oh no? Do you feel me, oh no? Do you see the next to me, oh no? Yeah man, I'm very excited.
All of people, a huge one for Eva. At what them sample. Otherwise, we would have paid for a ticket. Thank you so much, Mr. Ykee Benda. So our ambassador would like to guide you to that contract signing right in front of you, Mr. Franklin. Right there, Mr. Frank. That beautiful folder. Right there. Tana soma tumuwe dashikanga.
Wagala musayingiza byasomye.
Agana soma. Ngalo mingi zipopeko. Yeah, so our new baby boy, Mr. Ykee, just running through those clauses from 22bet. Always paying. That's our hashtag. Remember, we're a digital sports betting company, not just sports. We do weather as well. And remember, you can check us out on our website, 22bet.ug. That's the website, 22bet.ug. It's the topmost on the search engine once you go to Google or Chrome, 22bet. Bulungi, please stay there. Welcome, very, very huge welcome. So, a very nice ballpoint pen there for your signature. Wait, I'm going to have it on the channel to see the deal. Yeah? You're all going to rise up. Yeah, everyone at the table. After the signing, we shall all rise up and you'll get that big handshake, the seal of approval. Mr. Collins, you fall in. Frank, manager, you also fall in. So we all rise up. Let's all rise up right there. Oh yes. Right there. Get that huge handshake for our latest family member and brand ambassador. Don't forget to follow him on all socials, and he will give us advice on what we can bet on and how we can get paid. Congratulations, Ykee Benda. Thank you very much. So the main deal of the day has been concluded, and now we'll get quickly into the Q&A.
business Ykee Benda nimiro ku bintu by'okusitula abavubuka mu ggwanga lino tukoledde emyaka 33 era okuva omwaka guno gwatandika mbadde mu bintu by'emisomo n'okusikiringa abavubuka okubawa skills ez'enjawulo. Ogwo mulimu siri kuvaako because nange kwe kunyimirizaawo olwaleero naye njagala kulaba omuvubuka nga naye yeeyimirizaawo. Ekitundu ekirala kye ndi ow'amaanyi ennyo wa kyenjagala ennyo tenyinako omutima ennyo gwe mupiira. Njagala okulaba nga 22bet nange tukwatagana tulabe nga tusitula talanta y'abaana mu ggwanga lino. So wali tubagamba bagende banyumirwemu olweggulo oba ku makya okasookamu eddakiika 3 ogende okole ovaayo oba owangudde okufuna akasente kuba akafaananyi omuntu afuna miliyoni 5 22bet emusasula. Njagala nnyo okulaba nga obuvubuka fene 22bet tutula netugamba banaye akasente singa okakwata botulekooti osobola okawangaaza so that akakasente kabeerawo okitegeera ate osigazewo maybe ne miliyoni 2 oba emu gy'ozzaayo oddemu ba 22bet wanyige. You understand? Yeah.
Kesooka onyigira mu betting naye ng'olina ebintu bya by'okola not even only the youth but even our elders. Thank you.
Thank you for that question. It's a very good question. It's soccer. nze ng'omuntu obanga brand, I think engeri gye neekwata really speaks for me. First of all, I'm involved in education of the youth, skilling of the youth. So first and foremost, before I come and tell you, I also tell you to go and invest time in developing yourself, which I have done for the last 3 years. So I'm still the right man for both jobs, and my people here are going to stand with us even in empowering the youth, because 22Bet as one of the biggest in the world, as people come into bed, they must also develop. For example, you must sit with that person and give them some financial advice. Whether he takes it or not, that's a different conversation. But we want to see that nakasende oboka wangu kaina jikakola chi jikakutwala.
Very closely. What I does in we are 22Bet, because we are putting it that we are actually active in sports. We have done a couple of sponsorships for football clubs in Uganda, and then most recently, through our charity foundation, we also going to sponsor a youngster as we work on we always work on things. So we are preaching here. So we are slowly breaking into the sports industry, and we shall be able to extend our help and aid any way possible as we can.
Ubadde ku nsonga ya mupiira gwa Vipers, nze predicting a 1-0 to the Vipers.
Ground TV, 100% entertainment.